I have been struggling in reading fill in the blanks. No matter whatever things I follow, no matter whatever the grammar rules I apply, still I end up getting 1 out of 5 or 2 out of 5 or max 3 out of 5. I'm not understanding how to get that 5 out of 5. So what I should be doing basically, it's very simple. You should just do this. Do what? Very simple. There are some simple strategies. You just have to do them. And in this video, I'm not going to talk about the boring grammar techniques which I've told in many videos, but today I'll be talking about something different. I will be going into the core of the problem and help you realize why you're making mistakes and how can it be overcome by using some simple, easy strategies. So what I'm talking about, watch the video till the end. Hey everybody, Nakul here from Skills PTE Academic. I really hope everybody is doing fantastic. Well, today I'm back with another video. If you're struggling with reading fill in the blanks and not understanding how to go about it, I've been trying everything, solving each and every question, but still reading FIB remains a mystery for me, then I believe you are in the right direction. I'm going to come up with few new strategies which we usually share for our premier students. For the registered students. So yes, I have come up with something unique, something new, so stay tuned till the end. So how the video goes is, initially I'm going to give you a question of reading fill in the blanks, and I'll give you some time to to just do it in your own approach, and then I will explain you what mistake you've done, why the mistake has happened, and which approach or which strategy you need to follow. Okay, so let's start with it. So let me just share my screen. So try bottom up and apply elimination is what I have written in my screen. So what exactly I mean by bottom up? See, this is top, this is bottom, correct? Everyone knows it, I understand. Top to bottom is this, but bottom up is going from the bottom to the top. And if we do it, can we get answer to any problem? Definitely yes. Apply elimination. Let's say A, B, C, Z. Eliminate the odd one. Z is the odd one out. 1, 2, 3, 10. If 1 is the answer, 2 also should be the answer, 3 also should be the answer. None of them are the answer, 10 is the answer. So that's the elimination method. So if you have tried everything, every grammar thing, and still you're not able to improve your reading fill in the blanks, then these two probably are missing. And if you incorporate them, trust me, you should be able to get 90 in reading. Okay, so let's start with it. What I've got a very simple question. I would request you guys to pause the video, take 2.5 minutes and not a second more than that, and try solving this particular question. I can allow a timer and do it, but it will just extend the length of the video. Try doing it, pause the video and do it, and then I'll explain what is this bottom up approach, what is this elimination method. Okay, I really hope you have done it by pausing the video. Let's quickly start understanding the bottom up approach. Bottom up approach, see, as the name says, bottom to top, bottom up. That means whenever you have a doubt, ideally everybody would read from the top, correct, right? Nobody would read from the bottom. When you read from the top, whenever you have a doubt, I don't know the answer for this, leave it empty. Sorry, leave it empty. I don't know the answer for this, leave it empty. I know the answer for this, right? I know the answer for this, right? I know the answer for this, right? Now come from this and this. That's a bottom up approach. So Nakul, you mean instead of eating like this, we eat like that? No, not exactly. You eat only, probably you eat in the morning. I'm talking about don't eat in the morning, eat in the night. So what exactly I mean, we will see. A normal person would end up making a lot of mistakes in this question because he would not try to understand what exactly the context is all about. Every creature in the world except man seems to know how to die gracefully. If you walk in a forest, it's an animal that has been killed by a predator, unless you will not find a just lying around like that. A lot of people, trust me, have written fruit or animal. Do leave a comment if you resonate with this thought. Do leave a comment. I am pretty much sure you have written animal or fruit. So that's the reason I'm telling you. At the moment, you have read only 3 lines of the entire paragraph, and I believe you have very limited knowledge on whatever you have read. So it's time you realize this, that you have limited knowledge and you will not be able to easily find this if you want to do it then and there itself. So what do? Take a chill pill, man. Have that happy smile, take a chill pill. Okay boss, hold on, I'm gonna come back in just a while. Leave it empty and continue. Why the forest? Even in the cities where birds are mostly crows these days, you will not find a dash crow just like that. What crow, man? Graceless crow, worst crow, dead crow. I'm not getting it. Leave it empty, boss. Take a chill pill. They all know when it is time to die, so they dash to a quiet place. 90% of them, they write. They ran. Ran is past tense. Entire thing is a fact. Fact should be in the present tense. See here, if you walk, not walked. Birds are, you will, when it is, not was. Correct? So, there is a noun, we need a verb here. Grammar matters to some extent. They dash to a quiet place. The ran is wrong. They withdraw to a quiet place. Okay. It is only human being who is dash off is a collocation, oblivious of. I will come back to this oblivious of in just a while. Let's say you don't know, we will apply elimination method. I was talking about bottom up approach and elimination method. We will talk about elimination method in just a while. So I should not have given you this answer, by the way. So let's say I don't know this, who is dash of this and dies in a manner that is becoming increasingly, see here, die gracefully. It's all about die gracefully. But human being is dying ungracefully, no, gracelessly. Graceless gonna be the 5. There are some clues you need to understand. Apart from those clues, I'm talking about a bottom-up approach and elimination method. So now we have some understanding. All they're talking about, we humans don't know how to die, but animals know how to die. See there, you will not find a dash just lying around like that. Why the forest? Even the cities where birds are mostly crows, you will not find a dash crow just like that. They all know when it is time to die, they withdraw to a quiet place. That means you cannot see them dying. They just die somewhere else. So now you are aware of the context. See, instead of solving the first plank immediately, what you did, you just left it empty and continued. And now you have more knowledge about what the paragraph about. So the first one, now you say, if you walk in a forest, you will not find a dash just lying around like that. They're talking about dead body. I need something of a dead body. So now apply elimination method. I want an answer as dead body. Is withdraw dead body? Worst dead body? Dead is not a dead body. You will not find a dead. No, you will not find a dead body is not dead. Oblivious is not dead body. Carcass, Nakul, I don't know the meaning of carcasses. Animal is not a dead body. Fruit is not a dead body. No, nothing is fitting. What is left? Carcasses. I don't know the meaning of this. Apply elimination method. You know dead body has to come. Carcasses is the only thing that is left. Now apply elimination method and get this answer. Rewind the video if you didn't understand. What I'm doing is I'm trying to get the context and try to fill a particular blank on my own. From my knowledge is talking about you will not find a dead body just like that because they withdraw, they go to a quiet place. That means a dead body has to come, but dead body, nothing else is matching with the word dead body. I know the meaning of dead, I know the meaning of ran, I know the meaning of worst, everything I know, fruit, animal, but I don't know the meaning of carcass. Elimination method, everything I eliminated. This is the only thing that is left, carcass, but I don't know the meaning of it. This possibly should mean a dead animal or a dead body. Hope you are getting it. So withdraw is 3, this is 5. Carcass is going to be the first one. We applied elimination method where we eliminated rest of it and try to get the correct answer even when we don't know the meaning of it. Where the birds are mostly crows, you will not find a dead crow just like that. Not oblivious crow, not graceless crow, not worst crow. They're talking about death. You'll not find a dead crow just like that. So when we leave it empty and come from the bottom to top, we will have enough knowledge so it becomes a little more easier, little more convenient and comfortable for you to actually choose the correct answer. Now, who is dash off? So now get the context. They all know when it is time to die, they withdraw to a quiet place. We don't know. So I need something which says it is only the human being who is not aware of this. I need something that means we the human beings are not aware of this. I need a word which means not aware of. Is withdraw not aware of? Is graceless not aware of? Worst not aware of? Dead not aware of? Ran not aware of? Oblivious, I don't know the meaning of it. So now this has to be the not aware of. Because animal is not aware of, fruit is not aware of. Oblivious has to be not aware of. Oblivion, oblivious vocabulary. People who know the vocabulary would easily do it. People who don't know the vocabulary, follow this. Try to fill it on your own by looking at the context. Crows, all the birds, all the living beings except humans know how to die. It is we humans who are not aware of this and die in a manner that is becoming very graceless these days. Guys, hope you are getting it. So here, oblivious of is a collocation. If you don't know that, apply elimination method. You know that not aware of, this has to come. Not aware of cannot be withdraw, cannot be graceless, cannot be worse, cannot be died, cannot be ran, cannot be animal, cannot be fruit. Has to be oblivious. So this way, you can actually, even when you are not able to solve, you are prone to making mistakes. Apply this technique. Perhaps instead of getting 2 out of 5, who knows, you may get 4 out of 5 or 5 out of 5 over the time. So henceforth, whenever you solve a question, try to apply these things. And in our course like this, there are more than 10,000 questions where I have given the strategies for each and every question. In the internet, you get only the questions, you don't get the approach. In our course, you do, but it's a paid course. Anytime you need an online paid course, you can text us in the WhatsApp, the number given below. We will definitely aid you. So likewise, you understood the technique to a very good extent, I believe. We have one more question. Try to apply. See, you have a lot of knowledge, lot of money. Money is like knowledge. When you have a lot of money and you are not spending it in the right way, then what's the use of having a lot of money? Think about it. You have knowledge. Use the knowledge in the next question. Try using it. Whenever you have a doubt, take a chill pill, have a smile on your face, leave it empty, go down. From the bottom, you come up and apply elimination method. You will be able to get the correct answer. Alright, here you go. The next question. This is a tricky question, by the way. Try to solve it by pausing the video, and once you are done, unpause, resume. We will say. Try to pause the video. 2.5 minutes is what you should be taking. We'll start. It was the best of times. It's the worst of times. Best of times. Worst of times. It's the age of wisdom. It's the age of foolishness. So one is positive, one is negative. The entire thing is talking about time. It is the best of times. It is the worst of times. It is the age of wisdom. It is the age of foolishness. See here, best times, wisdom, age of foolishness. It is a dash of belief. It is the epoch of something. It is the epoch of belief. Try to see the symmetry. Hope you are understanding. Try to see the symmetry. It was the epoch of belief. See, it was the age of something. It is the epoch of belief. Epoch means a period. Epoch of something. So now epoch is the first one, which 90% of them have not. Because you directly chose the superlative of belief. Or it is incredulity, son of belief, high of belief. Do comment how many of you written high of belief. These are the problems. So that's what, when you have a doubt, chill pill. Take a chill pill, have a smile, leave it empty and say, boss, hold on. I'm going to come back in just a while and continue. It was a dash of belief. I don't know. It was the dash of belief. It was the epoch of dash. See here, best, worst. Wisdom, foolishness. Belief, opposite of belief is what? Opposite of belief is, I don't know the meaning of this, despair. This is despair. Okay, we don't know the meaning. We will leave it empty. We continue this also. We will leave it empty. We will come back and see if we can do it. Don't worry. It was a season of light. Opposite of light is darkness. It was the season of darkness. It's spring of love. Sorry, spring of hope. It's the winter of. Opposite of hope is despair. I'm so hopeful. Now I'm hopeless. It's despair. That's despair. So now it was the winter of despair. 1, 2, 3 should be the despair. You should know few things if you know the meaning of despair. So now the second one, it's the dash of belief. It's the age of belief. It's the age of opposite of belief. Cannot be high. Belief, you believe, I believe you. I don't believe you. Opposite of belief is not insisted, not son. Superlative is comparative. Superlative means best. It's not. Epoch is here only. It is the epoch of, could be the age of. It's not bad, it has to be incredulity. We applied elimination method. Hope you are getting it. We know what has to come. We need opposite of belief. Opposite of belief cannot be anything else apart from incredulity. But I don't know the meaning of incredulity. It has to be the correct answer, man. Elimination method. Everything is eliminated. This is the only thing that is left out. We'll continue. Spring of hope. It was the winter of despair. We had everything before us, we had nothing before us, we are all going directly to heaven, we are all going direct the other way. So now dash on, collocation, insisted on, depended on, relied on. So now insisted on, going to be the fourth. In the dash, degree of comparison. This is very simple, you would have studied this in your, maybe first standard, second standard. Good, better, best. Good is the base, better is the comparative degree, best is the superlative degree. He is better than me. He is the best. That is superlative. In the superlative degree of comparison only, this gonna be the fifth one. So the first one is what? Now apply again elimination. Very simple, I'll tell you. Second, third is, it was the belief, it was the incredulity. This is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So now first one, again apply elimination method. Remember we left it. See, it was the age of foolishness, it was the dash of belief, age of belief, or season of, some time period has to come. High of belief is not a time period. Son of belief, bad of belief. Epoch, I don't know the meaning, has to be epoch, man. And epoch is also here. That's what. So what I'm telling you is things are easy. It's not just the grammar. Like there are a lot of strategies, and every strategy is different from question to question. The more you make mistakes, the more you implement, the more you understand. Hope you are getting it. Any doubts, do comment in the comment section. Nakul, do we have one more question? We have one more question, but I am not explaining that in this video. What I want is, I want all of you, I would request all of you, if you really like this video, if you show that love towards me as a tutor, I would request all of you who are watching this video to do this and comment in the comment section. For every comment, I promise it will be answered saying correct or wrong, and after a day we will comment the right answer. We can do this, right? You guys can do this. Apply, not apply, use a timer of 2.5 minutes, apply elimination method, bottom up approach, and all the methods, whatever you have, try doing it in one shot and do comment in the comment section. I promise I myself will comment, not my team, I myself will look into the answers and give a feedback, comment, and tell you if you've got 5 out of 5 or 4 or 3 or 2 or 1 or 0. And by tomorrow, a day after this video is published, we will comment the right answers. Okay, I really hope this video made sense. This video is helping you, I believe, because these are the unique concepts and which will help you realize why the mistake is happening. I practiced a lot, why the marks are not going up. If you like this video, like it and share it with your friends. And if you want something like this in the future as well, I can come up with this series day 1, day 2, day 3, day 100, whatever it is. Do leave a comment so that I understand what you want, and accordingly I can come back with. And anytime you need assistance online, it's an online course, wherever you are from you can join, and we have students from all over the world. So far more than 35,000 students have joined. We have produced a great result. You could have seen in our Instagram page, Skills PT Academic, or in the YouTube shorts. You could have seen every day 102 we are sharing 79 plus. You can text us in the WhatsApp. We will be happy to assist you. And lastly, you have doubt on repeat sentence. How to improve on the repeat sentence? Does fluency matter? Pronunciation, content? Recently I made a video. The idea is a hit. A lot of people are giving a very positive comment. The video link I've shared. This is the video. Do watch the video. If you have not, I really hope that video as well along with this will get you the path towards success. So with this, I will park it here. This is Nakul signing off from Skills PT Academic. Very soon I'll be back. Till then, take care guys. Thank you.